ischemia heart disease, yaitu penyakit jantung iskemik. Keadaan di mana berkurangnya pasokan darah pada otot jantung yang menyebabkan nyeri di bagian tengah dada, dengan intensitas yang beragam dan dapat menjalar ke lengan serta rahang.
When a myocardial infarction strikes, the blood supply to the cardiac muscles is suddenly restricted. Starved for oxygen, these muscles begin to die, and within minutes are unable to keep the heart beating. The cause of this life-threatening attack is the obstruction of a coronary artery by a blood clot, resulting in most cases from atherosclerosis, which in the coronary artery is called coronary artery disease or CAD. In patients with CAD, atherosclerosis can begin to develop decades before symptoms arise. Since atherosclerotic plaques grow slowly. When a plaque ruptures and a blood clot forms, the threat of a vascular event becomes very real. Clots consist of activated platelets stabilized by fibrin strands. While activated platelets aggregate to seal the rupture site, fibrin formation is triggered by the coagulation cascade. An important part of this chain reaction involves factor Xa and prothrombin. When factor Xa encounters prothrombin, it cleaves prothrombin into thrombin. One molecule of factor Xa can catalyze the activation of 1,000 molecules of thrombin, which cleave fibrogen into fibrin. Fibrin then assembles into strands. Thrombin also leads to further platelet activation via PAR receptors located on platelets, thereby increasing platelet aggregation. This activation doesn't only happen in the blood flow, but occurs predominantly on the plaque surface. Because of thrombin's effects on platelets and fibrin, it offers a specific therapeutic target for the inhibition of arterial clot formation. Vascular protection through reduction of thrombin generation is a promising approach currently under investigation for the prevention of myocardial infarction, stroke, or cardiovascular death in patients with CAD.
Penyakit jantung iskemik dibagi menjadi 4 sindrom, yaitu infark miokardium, yang dikenal sebagai serangan jantung, yang kedua ada angina pectoris, ketiga ada penyakit jantung iskemik kronis, dan yang keempat ada kematian jantung mendadak.
Adapun tanda dan gejala penyakit jantung iskemik, yang pertama itu adalah gangguan hemodinamik dan bendungan paru, yang selanjutnya ada shock kardiogenik, nyeri mirip angina, berkeringat dingin, sesak napas, mual, serta muntah.
Pencegahan penyakit iskemik. Beberapa upaya untuk mencegah penyakit iskemik, antara lain. Yang pertama, berolahraga atau melakukan aktivitas latihan fisik secara rutin. Yang kedua, mengkonsumsi makanan kaya serat dan antioksidan. Yang ketiga, beristirahat dengan cukup dan istirahat yang berkualitas. Yang keempat, berhenti merokok dan berhenti mengkonsumsi minuman beralkohol.